Introduction. Welcome back to Bike Expert, your go-to source for the latest in motorcycle news, reviews, and in-depth insights. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated middleweight adventure bikes on the horizon, the 2026 Honda Africa Twin 650. Honda's Africa Twin series has long been a favorite among ADV enthusiasts, and with the new 650 variant, the brand looks to bring its off-road heritage to a more accessible platform. The concept, what Honda aims to deliver. The Africa Twin 650 isn't just a smaller sibling, it's a strategic move by Honda to dominate the mid-size ADV segment. With riders seeking lighter, more manageable bikes for both touring and trail, the 650 is designed to balance power, weight, and versatility. Positioned below the current 1,100 cubic centimeters model, the 650 aims to provide the same adventurous DNA at a lower price point and with a friendlier learning curve. Engine and performance, compact yet capable. At the heart of the Africa Twin 650 is a newly developed parallel twin engine, rumored to produce around 70 horsepower with a torque curve optimized for both highway cruising and off-road agility. The engine is expected to be liquid-cooled, with modern electronics like ride-by-wire, multiple ride modes, and potentially traction control. It's not just about numbers. Honda is focusing on real-world usability and rider comfort over sheer power. Chassis and suspension, built for dual purpose. One of the standout features of any Africa Twin has been its suspension, and the 650 is no exception. It will likely feature long travel Showa suspension, a 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheel setup, and a sturdy yet lightweight frame. Whether it's gravel roads, forest trails, or urban commutes, this bike aims to handle it all. Expect an adjustable suspension setup to accommodate different loads and terrains. Design and ergonomics, compact adventure. The design philosophy follows the Africa Twin's rugged lineage, a tall stance, aggressive lines, and wind tunnel-tested aerodynamics. A rally-style front end, possibly with LED headlights and a TFT display, is expected. The ergonomics are tuned for comfort over long distances, with a narrow seat, wide handlebars, and an upright riding posture, perfect for standing on the pegs during off-road riding. Features and technology, smart and functional. Technology-wise, the Africa Twin 650 is likely to include Bluetooth connectivity, navigation support, and USB charging ports, with optional cruise control and cornering ABS. A dual-clutch transmission (DCT) variant may also be in development, continuing Honda's push for rider-friendly automation without compromising adventure capability. Who is it for? Adventure for all. The 650 is perfect for newer riders wanting a capable ADV bike without the bulk and intimidation of a leader-class machine. It also appeals to seasoned adventurers looking for a lightweight companion for technical off-road riding. Whether you're exploring mountain,